There's a lot of energy in the ecosystem, and I think one of the most interesting things that I kind of like realized today is that energy that comes from being back in person at these events. For the past year and a half or so, we've been online, and so you've really missed a lot of that interpersonal communication between people, and so it's cool feeling that today.
Coming out of it, I've actually been able to make a personal connection, so not just stories and kind of looking at bios on LinkedIn, but an actual personal connection with someone.
There aren't a lot of opportunities to be able to learn from people 5 steps ahead of you and 5,000 steps ahead of you who look like you and have overcome even more burdens given the fact when they were starting their startup or whenever they were raising capital. And it takes a community to be able to have thousands of more Black entrepreneurs be successful, and it's imperative that you build that community and you spend time doing that.